Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new exciting project called Atlas Metaverse. And you will find a video on my channel about petoverse, and actually petoverse, they rebranded themselves, or they're planning to rebrand themselves. Now they will be called the Atlas coin. Okay, it's going to be a gamer-driven metaverse. And game, and pre-sale. The pre-sale will start in 7 days and about 4 hours 48 minutes. So to give you an idea, feel free to watch the video on my channel about petoverse, but now they will do a complete rebranding. Okay, so featuring the world's first adventure MMO metaverse with cute pets, monsters, dungeons and magic that has both a maximum yield and sustainable protocol. Okay, you can watch the video here. They will have an auto staking function with 10,000% APY. At the first moment, 10,000% is, there are projects that pay you like 100,000 or 380,000 or so. 10,000, compared to any bank account or whatever, 10,000 is still a lot. And usually I would say this makes more sense for the sustainability of the project, because if the APY is too high, this usually leads to a big inflation. So feel free to watch the video here on the page. Of course, you will find the links in the description. And they will bring the Atlas Super App, an all-in-one solution to every crypto investors. Okay, that's I guess grammatically not correct, but okay. Real-time dashboard and crypto news, your very own Atlas wallet and social launch. Okay, triple yield income. You can find the white paper and the audit here. Atlas is the first metaverse project that provides a decentralized financial asset which rewards users through a triple yield sustainable income stream model through use of its unique Atlas protocol. Atlas is breaking down barriers by integrating the petoverse, that's the game, so to say, that will come, metaverse, MM or RPG, with its unique triple yield income protocol, the first to do so in the industry. A simple buy, hold, earn system is implemented which grows the holder's financial portfolio exponentially. So let me show you guys. If you buy the token, if you buy it on pre-sale, you don't pay any tax, but later you will pay a 5% buy tax, and now it's switched, and also a sell tax. 50% sell tax, as you can see. 2% here will go to the liquidity, and it's switched again. And here from the sell, 3% to the liquidity. Okay, and there will also be an inferno pit. That means they will burn the tokens. Okay, interesting also, Atlas rebase engine, 10,000% APY plus 500% value boost. Okay, and this is switching again. Then there will be the Atlas vault, yield farms and anti-dump mechanism. That is good to keep the price somehow stable. Okay, just by holding Atlas, everyone can receive maximum yield through a sustainable pathway using our triple yield income stream. Buy and hold Atlas. So it's easy as that, guys. Okay. As always, guys, do your own research before you invest in any project. But maybe you like this, and they will bring out a game, and this will be play to earn game. So this could make this entire project more sustainable. As always, guys, no financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your money. Yes, guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.